software. Do you know what? I don't even know what I was going to say then. So this day started out hot and exhausting. Is that right? Oh yeah, we're fitting in exhaust. Mark II Focus ST 2006 one. We're supplying an AIRTEC downpipe and the DECAT to go with it. It's a great little combo, comes with a fitting kit and everything. It's going on this car here that you can see in the background, as you will have seen before or see in a minute, whichever way Lee edits this. We had a bit of an issue with downpipe bolts. Now that's not uncommon, they get stuck, they snap, and this little baby was no exception. So they've tried several methods, easy outs and all sorts, ended up welding. It's out now, but we've got the two in the background here, as you can see, on the floor laid out, just so that you can see the difference. We've supplied the AIRTEC downpipe and the DECAT, and the customer's supplied his own cat back. Now it has had a sort of modified exhaust on it before. It's definitely aftermarket anyway, as you can see the cat's fully welded in and everything. It's alright. Take two. Lee just nearly fell over. So yeah, it's had the original downpipe, but it has had some sort of modifications, DECATs. It's had a weird kind of modification on the back there. The cat is non-standard as well, but we're getting rid of that, and I do believe this is either 𝗘𝗕𝗵𝘂𝘀𝘁 cat back that the customers bought or something along those lines. It's a slightly different layout to the original one, but it should be a lot louder. The customer's not having a software to go with this, so he's going to have an engine management light. We have made him aware of that, something he'll look at in the future. There's no lambda extension or Fooler being installed either, so it's going to be straight out of the box, but the customer's fully aware, as I say, and I'm sure he'll get the software sorted. Software. Do you know what? I don't even know what I was going to say then. He's going to do something anyway. I don't know what it is, but anyway, I'll leave you to it. So yeah, it hasn't finished fighting this guy. It literally is fighting every step of the way. So we've got the AIRTEC front downpipe on, and we've got the AIRTEC DECAT combo that you can buy from them. We can supply it for you. The customer chose that route. It's the same sort of shape, always is a generic shape across the range, so whether it be a Milltek, a Scorpion, a Mongoose or a Cobra, they're all a similar shape. But this system that the customer's purchased and brought to us, not sure where it's from, not sure what company it is, but it's not one of the main brands. And what we've found is that with this RS style diffuser that he's got, which is a custom fiberglass one, which is attached and moulded in, as you can see the tailpipes are very tight, and also in combination with the downpipe and DECAT, you can see that it's pulling across. We've extended the centres out to give us as much room as we can and twisted, but it's also pulling on the rubbers here. Now we've told the customer about this, and he's going to get the rear section modified. Obviously we didn't supply it, so we've just told him about that, but the original system couldn't go back as it is with this anyway, and it's kind of undoing the progress that he'd made. So now the customer's going to have to visit his local exhaust place and get these sections modified so that you can, one, change the angle of the tips, and two, extend them so that they don't collide, I suppose is the best description, with that opening for the rear tailpipe, which is really, really tight incidentally anyway. As you can see, I can only just about get my finger in between, and on this side it's touching. So, you know, there's not a whole amount. Now, whilst I understand that it should be taken off, we've also got a downpipe and DECAT fitted that with the old system, because it's in one piece, as you can see behind, it couldn't be reattached now without removing the existing to undo all the work that we've done, which is hours of work to make this, I would say fit, but installed on the car is a better description. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, spend that extra money, because at the end of the day, especially when you've got a custom diffuser, you still might end up with a problem like this one. So just be careful how you're spending money, and just be careful that you think you're saving money and you're not. So we'll join you again when we do the first start up of the car, and hopefully the customer will get this resolved. Wish you the best of luck.